Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Friday, June 19th, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets rebounded sharply yesterday, with the Nasdaq surging 1.91% and the S&P 500 gaining 1.09% to pair earlier losses triggered by hawkish Fed signals under new chair Kevin Warsh. The rally was driven by a major semiconductor boom, led by Intel's 10.6% jump on an Apple partnership and a sharp drop in oil prices following an interim U.S.-Iran peace agreement. Asian markets extended their tech-driven rally on today, spearheaded by South Korea's Kospi surging 2.6% past the 9,200 milestone and Japan's Nikkei futures rising up to 0.4%. This upward momentum, fueled by a global semiconductor boom and easing energy costs, was slightly tempered by lower trading volumes due to market holidays in China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan, as well as a 1.0% slide in Australia's ASX 200. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 24,000, thereby indicating a negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are trading lower, remaining on track for a massive weekly loss as the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz resolved key supply shock anxieties. Gold prices are trading marginally higher, capitalizing on a wave of trader short covering as cooling energy costs lowered broader inflation expectations, which tempers the chances of a rate hike in the near future. All eyes are on Reliance Industries today as it hosts its highly anticipated annual general meeting. Investors are laser-focused on big announcements regarding new energy initiatives, the much-awaited listing of geo-platforms, and future capital allocation strategies. Indian IT stocks are bracing for high volatility today after global peer Accenture saw its shares crash over 14%. Despite steady quarterly earnings, Accenture lowered its full-year growth guidance, sending a cautious signal across the entire tech sector. In defense news, Bharat Forge's subsidiary has inked a major strategic partnership with US-based AM General at the Eurosatory Exposition. This collaboration aims to export advanced 155mm mobile artillery systems globally, while simultaneously pitching for the U.S. Army's Mobile Tactical Cannon program. Despite a positive close for the U.S. markets and a mostly positive open for the Asian markets, Nifty is expected to open in the red today. The correction was mostly fueled by a drastic drop in Infosys and Wipro ADRs overnight in the U.S. Supports for today will be at 23,840, followed by 23,650, while resistances will be at 24,000, followed by 24,130. A negative bias may be expected at open, but trading may mostly be range-bound as positive and negative cues balance each other out. Near-term upside is heavily capped by overbought technical levels and a massive 14% overnight crash in global peer Accenture, which is triggering severe growth guidance anxieties across Indian IT stocks. The Indian market is heavily buoyed by structural macro relief, from Brent crude dropping below $80 per barrel, alongside immense index anticipation surrounding today's 49th Reliance Industries AGM. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 1,025 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 3,517 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on June 19th, 2026. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market-related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.